Welcome to the ERP Industry Insights podcast, where we explore how digital systems are transforming the very backbone of modern industries. I'm your host, Nishad, and today we're diving into a fascinating world that equal parts precision and pressure. Injection molding manufacturing. Now, injection molding is all about consistency, cycle times, and quality. But managing production, material flow, and customer commitments, well, that's where chaos often creeps in. Today, we'll be uncovering how ERP systems, when properly implemented, are changing the story, bringing clarity, speed, and predictability to an industry where every second can impact profitability. Now, picture this: a typical injection molding unit, multiple machines running around the clock, operators juggling molds, materials, and maintenance. Every cycle produces parts worth pennies, but multiplied by 1,000, every delay, scrap, or unrecorded downtime can cost millions annually. Now, the real problem is that most manufacturers still track production inventory and quality metrics in silos, spreadsheets, manual logs, or outdated software. As a result, material shortages aren't caught early, machine utilization isn't visible in real time, and dispatch teams are always one step behind. So while the machines might be state of the art, the data flow behind them is often decades old. Now here's where modern ERP systems like Odoo quietly revolutionize things. Instead of scattered data, ERP builds a central nervous system for the factory. The production module captures every cycle count. The inventory module tracks resin matches and regrind ratios. The quality module logs inspection results automatically, and the maintenance module schedules preventive care before the breakdown occurs. In short, ERP brings machine intelligence and human efficiency onto the same page. It's no longer about recording production, it's more about understanding patterns, predicting issues, and improving the yield. Let's take an example from one of our client stories. A mid-sized injection molding firm supplying automotive components had a recurring issue: unplanned downtime and untraceable scrap. After implementing ERP integrated with the IoT sensors, they gained real-time dashboards showing machine uptime and rejection trends, automated material consumption tracking, and digital batch traceability for every part produced. Within 6 months, their overall equipment effectiveness basically jumped by 22% and scrap cost dropped by 18%. But what's even more important is that the leadership team could finally make data backed decisions, not guesses based on yesterday's reports. Well, a successful ERP project in injection molding isn't just about installing software, it's about aligning it with how your factory actually breathes. Here's what makes it work: accurate BOM and routings that capture machine time, labor, and material movement precisely, real time production data integrating ERP with shop floor terminals or PLCs, dynamic material management that helps in automating resin issue, regrinding, tracking, and wastage accounting. Lot level traceability that ensures every molded component can be traced back to its batch, and actionable dashboards wherein KPIs like cycle time variance, OEE, and rejection rate updated live. So ERP isn't just digitizing, it's synchronizing every moving part of your operation. The future of injection molding is data-defined manufacturing, where production decisions come from predictive analytics and not gut feeling. ERP systems are evolving fast, integrating with AI-driven quality checks, IoT machine data, and robotic workflows. Soon, downtime prediction and energy optimization will be as automated as scheduling itself. So, if you're in the injection molding business, the question is no longer should I go digital? It's how fast can I get there before my competitors do? That's all for today's episode of ERP Industry Insights. I'm Nishad. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more episodes where we decode ERP transformation across industries from construction to manufacturing and beyond. And remember, machines may mold parts, but ERP molds performance. And for any questions or queries, kindly do drop us an email at sales@ampagen.com.